organizations using Microsoft 365 Copilot don't have to choose between Copilot and OpenText AI. OpenText Content Aviator is available as a native agent inside the Microsoft 365 Copilot ecosystem, bringing your OpenText content directly into the tools your teams already use through AI-to-AI integration. Content Aviator is available from the Microsoft 365 Copilot Agent Store, and an admin can turn it on to make it available organization-wide with no separate interface required. Within the Copilot ecosystem, Content Aviator gives users direct access to data stored in the OpenText content management platform, including reference workspaces like the one shown here. Content Aviator also works within Microsoft Word. In Microsoft Word, a user opens Content Aviator, asks a question, and pulls relevant content from OpenText, then inserts it directly into the document using native Copilot functionality. The same experience extends across the Microsoft Office suite. In PowerPoint and Excel, Content Aviator surfaces your OpenText content in context, where teams are already working. And as Microsoft releases new capabilities, Content Aviator inherits them automatically without any additional integration work. What makes this work is the knowledge graph behind Content Aviator. Copilot connects to Content Aviator, which holds the relationships, structure, and context of your OpenText content. Copilot can then leverage this intelligence across your entire Microsoft 365 environment. Your teams get the best of both ecosystems without having to choose.